Hello and welcome to the video. Today I'll be showing you Ness Walk Hotel as well as a boat tour of Loch Ness. Ness Walk is a 5-star hotel on the banks of the River Ness, a short walk from Inverness town centre. Although this was a cold day, the welcome was extremely warm, and it always helps when you're offered a glass of champagne. Let's make our way over to our suite. And welcome to the Wellingtonia suite. Although the ceiling eaves seemed to intrude in the video, when I was in the room it really didn't affect me. Although in practical terms it does reduce the floor space that can be used. This bed was extremely comfortable, with power and USB sockets on both sides. This area was quite practical, and I liked the way it kept everything out of the way and hidden from the rest of the room. I really didn't understand why there are 2 power sockets here, as it was a really small shelf and couldn't really be used practically. Although the TV was very good. I found this area far more suited as a charging point, as it has more space and more sockets. Now let's take a brief look at the bathroom. Lovely warm fluffy towels and a good sized rainfall shower. It's a big thumbs up from me. Although this seating area was very pleasant, one thing I would like to have seen was a working desk area. Enough of the room, let's go and take a look at the dining and breakfast offerings. Unfortunately, I didn't get a chance to dine here, as there was a lovely restaurant across the water that I wanted to try. But if the breakfast was any indicator, I'm sure it would have been excellent. I know not everybody enjoys it, but this really was one of the best haggis I had in my life. Time to leave now, unfortunately, but let's take a last look at the beautiful gardens of Ness Walk and the River Ness. A final walk then along the banks of the River Ness as we make our way over to the centre of Inverness to catch the tour bus to Loch Ness. Inverness to Loch Ness is only about a 20-minute ride away. And here we are aboard the tour boat as we push away from the dock. Loch Ness is one of the deepest bodies of water in the UK, its deepest point being 230 metres under the surface. And even more amazingly, it could fit all the water from all the lakes in England and Wales combined. This is the Aldorney Castle boathouse, which can be booked as a function room as part of the castle estate. The view from those windows must be amazing. And here is Aldorney Castle, which is now a stately boutique hotel. I really would love to stay here, but I don't think my bank balance would ever recover. Or maybe I could if you subscribe to my channel. This is Dock 4 House, built in 1780 after the previous one was burnt down during the Jacobite Rebellion. You can stay in the grounds of this stately home as the owners have set up a few cottages and farmhouses. And here we have Dawes Village, where most of the Nessie hunters congregate to start their searches. And here we have our final port of call, Urcquhart Castle, a 16th century former fortress. These ruins have a spectacular view, and I'd love to revisit here on a summer's day, as I'm sure the vista would be even more stunning. Thank you for watching all the way to the end, and I hope you enjoyed the video.